Chapter 4. Oops, I did it again. Creating breeds more creating. Quote. The process of writing is like creating a game of dominoes. The first domino creates the second incident, and so forth until the end. Unquote. Asghar Farhadi. This book became bigger than I originally thought it was going to be. It was originally just a play on a book called You Must Write a Book, when I was running a program to help people write their book. The program was called How to Write Your Worst Book Ever. It was great fun. We had some big breakthroughs. But as I worked on this book and talked about the title with others, I realized there were other things that we didn't have to do and yet thought we did or should. The main ones together were these, and in this order. 1. Fasting. 2. Meditating. 3. Creating. Those three things have become a formula or a system for me to achieve fantastical levels of clarity, courage, and confidence. It seems so simple. It is so simple. It's not always easy, but it's simple. As I wrote, it became more and more apparent that this little trio of actions, when put together, was even more powerful than their individual elements separately. That's when this book became more than I thought it was in the beginning. What started out as a bit of a joke became something useful and even important, and finally it morphed into a system, a reliable routine that you can do over the course of just 17 hours and start to build that clarity, courage, and confidence that I have experienced. One of my personal favorite books I wrote, and one of my most popular, is called Create. It's about taking action. Fearless, or even full of fear, but doing it anyway. Tiny, regular action. This book started as a joke, and dare I say, I think it's become one of my favorite books and possibly one of my most helpful. Because I dared to take action on an idea. Thanks for being here. Thanks for reading. Let's get rolling. Possible. Jog around the block. Impossible. Finish the marathon without taking the first step. Be possible. Take the first step.